Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. So today we'll be teaching you how to store plastics in a way that will have space. Because you see, plastics are a problem. They are all over. They are all over the place. So I will start with this plastic. Okay, I will start with this plastic. So to pack this plastic so that in a way that it will save space. This is how I will do it. I will pack it. I will fold it. Fold the plastic. Fold the plastic. Fold the plastic. We want to have more space, so we fold the plastic and then fold the plastic neatly like that. We fold the plastic, then we fold it like this, fold it like this, fold it like this, fold it like this. Now as you can see, our plastic it's a lot more smaller. That big giant plastic now it's small. Yeah, folded the plastic. So this is how it looks like when it is folded. So I will fold another one. Have another plastic, huge plastic. Then we do the same process. We fold the plastic, then we fold the plastic, then we fold the plastic, then we fold the plastic, and fold the plastic, and fold the plastic. Then after folding plastic, stretch it, then you fold it again, make it smaller. Fold it. You fold the plastic again. Then after that, now the plastic is smaller. When they are small like this, we can save a lot of space. Plastics. Let's have another one. This method works with all types of plastics. So we have another plastic again. So with this plastic there, we'll fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, and fold it, and fold it. So we folded the plastic, then we fold it again, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold the plastic. There. There you go. All the plastics can fold them. Here's another one. Another plastic. Another plastic again. Okay. We fold it. So this saves a lot of space on plastics. So you can save a lot of space so that you can reuse these plastics. Fold the plastic. Then we fold the plastic. Then we fold the plastic. Then we fold it again. Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. That's how it looks. Then smaller ones, even the smaller ones, we can do it. We can do the same with smaller plastics. Fold it. Fold the plastic. Fold the plastic. Fold the plastic. This actually saves a lot of space. Fold it. Fold it. Fold the plastic. Fold the plastic. Okay. We have another one. Checkers Pick and Pay plastic. Okay. And we have this one. And we can fold it again. Fold the plastic. 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 Please subscribe when you are getting value from this. I'm teaching you how to fold plastics. Fold the plastic, fold the plastic, fold the plastic, fold. There you go. See how small the Pick n Pay plastic looks. It does less harm to the environment when it looks like this. Okay, then we have other plastics. So hard plastic, this one is a bit hard. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to fold it and fold it and fold it and fold it, fold it neatly, and I'm going to fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. This is how it looks. Fold it. So okay. Even the transparent plastics, all types of plastics, you can fold them like this. Fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. Okay, then you fold the plastic, fold the plastic, fold the plastic, fold the plastic, fold the plastic. This is easy. Anyone can learn it. Even a kid, even a child can learn how to pack plastics like this. Fold it, fold it. Then here we go. We are done. This is how it looks. Then we are done with the plastic. Look at how many plastics are nicely packed like this. Now they save a lot of space. Let's fold another one. Or we can put all of this plastic in one plastic bag. You can put all of this in just one plastic bag. And you can take it inside. This is how we have many plastics inside one plastic, and there's space. So thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. This is how it looks like. Now we have saved a lot of space on those plastics.